I've decided to do Bike Sebring this year. That's a 100-mile or 12-hour race with a lot of recumbents in it. Considering that it's in Florida and I'm in Seattle, that's going to mean somehow getting my bike here across the country. So my hope is to pack it up into this Sportube Series 3 and this large duffel bag and then bring it on the plane with me. Okay, so I've gotten the seat cushion, and both wheels into the duffel bag. I've aired down the large tire a little bit, probably aired down the small tire a little bit too. I've also taken the skewer off the larger wheel. Let's see if I can get this thing to zip up. Okay, so I did get that all zipped together. It was definitely a bit of a stretch. It's a manageable weight. It's not bad at all. There's not really any padding in here right now, so I'm more than a little concerned the wheels might get messed up. But at least it seems to be possible. Okay, so now deal with the frame. I think it's pretty clear we're going to need to take the pedals off, and we'll need to take the fork out and the headset off, and let's see where that gets us. Okay, fork's off, and the pedals are off also. Just general tip, taking the pedals off is probably a lot easier if you do it as a first step with the bike all still together. I've left the mounts for the seat on the frame. Derailleur's also on. I'm kind of just doing a dress rehearsal and packing here. If I was really packing this guy up, I'd probably use some zip ties to secure stuff and probably wrap some of this stuff in foam or newspaper or something. It looks like I'll need to take the handlebars off also to get it to fit in the Sportube. I'm just generally trying to tear down the bike as little as possible to keep things quick on both tear down and setup. Okay, there we go, all torn down. Let's see if we can get it to fit in the Sportube. Okay, it's looking pretty promising. You can see here I've got the bike loaded up kind of the back part, and then we'll take and kind of close over the front part over that and cinch it down a little bit. Okay, minor update here. I picked up a CamGo 20-inch folding bike bag on Amazon for about 40 bucks. For whatever reason, this is branded with Rhino Walk, but this is pretty capable of fitting my recurve seat with pad, the 20-inch front wheel, and a 26-inch back wheel. I suspect it's probably pretty capable of fitting two 26 wheels or even two 700 wheels. And it seems like it's pretty solid material. There's also some more space in here that I'd probably put some cardboard and foam padding in to make sure the wheels don't get too beat up. But this seems to be a pretty good setup. So there we go, Biketta Giro A20 packed up and ready for flight. Suspect you could probably get most recumbent bikes in a setup like this. So ultimately, I think using something like the Sportube here, at least with the Series 3, you could probably fly most recumbent bikes, maybe only a little bit more difficultly than you could a traditional bike.